Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw Twitch payouts using tax forms W-8BEN, beginner guide step by step clearly. To withdraw your Twitch payouts, you need to complete the W-8BEN tax form. First, ensure you have a Twitch account and have earned enough to withdraw. Log in to your Twitch account. Navigate to your creator dashboard by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. In the sidebar, select Settings and then click on Payouts. Review the payout requirements to ensure you meet the threshold. Next, locate the option to submit tax information. Click on Add Tax Information to begin the process. Select W-8BEN from the list of tax forms provided. Read the instructions carefully to understand what information you need to provide. You will need to input your name and address. Ensure that your name matches the name on your government-issued ID. Fill in your country of citizenship in the relevant field. Provide your tax identification number, if applicable. If you do not have one, indicate that you are a foreign individual. You may also need to provide a residency certification. Review all the information you have entered to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, submit the W-8BEN form. After submission, wait for a confirmation email from Twitch. This email will inform you whether your tax information has been accepted. Once accepted, you can now proceed to withdraw your payouts. Go back to your Payouts section in the Creator dashboard. Choose your preferred payment method, such as bank transfer or PayPal. Enter the necessary details for your selected payment method. Confirm the withdrawal amount. Submit your withdrawal request. Wait for Twitch to process your payout. You'll receive an email confirmation once your funds are on their way. Keep a record of all submitted tax forms and payments for your records. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.